Okay, after inserting SD card, then we have to interface it with the screen and mouse. So for interfacing, what are the components we require? I'll show you now. Right, so this is the adapter, right? So AC to DC adapter, we required 5 volts for 5 volts for a adapter, which we will be connecting to the Raspberry Pi to the this pin port. This is power port, right? Then this will be connecting to your socket. So this is the way first we will be going to power up the Raspberry Pi. The important thing we have to remember is after connecting all the devices like keyboard and all, after connecting, then only we have to give a power supply to the Raspberry Pi. This is the very important thing we need to remember all the way. Okay. Next thing, what are the next components we required for interfacing? I'll be showing. And this cable is called as an HDMI to VGA. So this we require to interface the screen to the Raspberry Pi. So how we'll be interfacing is, we will be having this VGA cable, which generally we will be connecting to the CPU. Now this we are going to connect to the connect to the Raspberry Pi using this converter, right? So first connect them like this, and tied the pin. Then connect it to VGA pin, which is shown here. You can see this, and then connect it. So connecting to the screen is done. So you can see that is which is powered on actually. Now this is the keyboard. In order to give the inputs, we can connect the keyboard to the Raspberry Pi, and we required USB keyboards, right, which is having a USB pin one side, and we will be having 4 USB ports here. Any one of the port we can use for connecting this keyboard and the mouse. So I'm going to connect keyboard now. That's the second thing I did. And next thing is for input for easy access and for easy input accessing, we can connect the mouse to the Raspberry Pi also. So, and mouse also we need to select the mouse of USB type, right? And it will be having a USB cable, right? That USB cable also I'm connecting to the Raspberry Pi. There any one of the remaining 3 slots we can use. I'll for convenience I'll use this pin, this port. Alright. Then for internet access the applications, the Ethernet pin, this is the Ethernet cable. This Ethernet cable also we can connect. There will be having an Ethernet port here. To this port you can connect the Ethernet. See the way I'm going to connect here. Right. Now I have connected the screen, keyboard and mouse. Right. Now I will power up the Raspberry Pi now. Let me adjust all the wires. Okay. This is an adapter pin. I'm going to power up the Raspberry Pi. But again I'm telling, before powering up a Raspberry Pi, you need to connect all the keyboard, mouse and the screen and SD card. Right. Now I'm going to connect. While once I've connected here, you need to observe the screen. Right. So these are the 2 lights OS is going to install in it. Once you powered up, you can observe the green and red LEDs. Green LED is blinking us, informing us that OS is installing in it. Now the screen is connected to the Raspberry Pi now, and it is going to do the basic configurations.